Investing through a systematic investment plan, or SIP, is one of the smartest moves I've made for my financial future. It's all about discipline and consistency. Setting aside a small amount regularly has helped me build a solid habit of saving. The beauty of SIP is in rupee cost averaging. I buy more units when the market dips and fewer when it peaks, which smooths out my investment costs over time. And let's not forget the magic of compounding. The longer I stay invested, the more my returns grow, creating a snowball effect on my wealth. SIPs are also incredibly affordable. I can start with just a little, making it accessible no matter my income level. Plus, I don't have to stress about timing the market. I invest regularly, which takes the pressure off. Flexibility is another perk. I can adjust my contributions or even pause my SIP if needed. It's perfect for long-term goals, and if I choose an ELSS, I can enjoy tax benefits too. With SIPs, I'm not just investing, I'm diversifying my portfolio across various sectors, which helps reduce risk. Overall, SIPs offer a systematic, hassle-free way to grow my wealth over time.